f of x is a polynomial of degree 5 with a leading coefficient unity such that f of 1 is 5, f of 2 is 4, f of 3 is 3, f of 4 is 2, f of 5 is 1. The question is, what does f of 6 equal to? And this was actually a multiple choice question, but I've gotten rid of the options just to make this slightly more interesting. Do have a go at this problem. I'm going to dive right into a solution. One thing I notice is we've got a polynomial of degree 5. Oh, you can't see my 5 there. There we go. And we have 6 bits of information. We have this bit, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6th bit of information is that it's got leading coefficient unities. Because we've got 6 bits of information here, and we have a polynomial of degree 5. And it turns out that if you have a polynomial of degree n, and you have n plus 1 bits of information about that polynomial, you can uniquely determine that polynomial. But do look into this if you've not seen this before. In fact, I've made a video series about this called Lagrange interpolating polynomials, so do check that out if you haven't before. And so from that, I can immediately deduce that therefore my function f of x in the question must be 6 minus x plus some multiple, so a being an arbitrary constant, of x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4 times x minus 5, like so. What value of a should I choose? Well, I should just choose a as 1, because if a is 1, this whole thing here, well, that's a polynomial of degree 5, and it'll be x to the 5 with some other stuff, and then this thing here won't affect the coefficient of x to the 5. So I'm going to choose a to be 1, so just get rid of it there. And that's our polynomial f of x. What is f of 6 equal to? F of 6 is just 6 minus 6, which is 0, plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 5 factorial, or in other words, 120. If you are someone who's looking to prepare for the TMUA, MAT, perhaps interviews for Oxbridge, do get in touch. I'm a full-time mathematics tutor with an extremely high success rate. Last year, 12 of my 13 students ended up receiving offers from Oxbridge, and I have on average over 80% success rate.